In this short tutorial, I will show you how to allow WhatsApp to access the microphone on your iPhone. To make calls or record a voice message on WhatsApp, the app needs permission to use your iPhone's microphone. Without this access, you won't be able to communicate with others through voice calls or send voice messages. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see WhatsApp. Tap on it. Now you'll see the microphone option, which is turned off. To allow WhatsApp to access the microphone on your iPhone, simply toggle on the switch next to the microphone option. As you can see, it turned green, indicating that WhatsApp now has permission to access your microphone. Now, when you use WhatsApp to make calls or send voice messages, the app will be able to utilize your iPhone's microphone seamlessly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.